Welcome to Byte Vision YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to use Acronis imaging application. Lenovo Desktop TC NEO30A 22 Gen 3. Press F12 to set up BIOS setting. Select Boot menu. Then click on Enter Setup if you are using mouse. On the next screen Start menu, go to Devices. Then click on Add a Drive Setup. Configure SATA as AHCI, click Yes button to accept the changes. Click Exit to close the Add a Drive Setup. Then Save Changes and Exit, click Yes button to save configuration and reset the system. Once you completed BIOS setup, connect the Acronis bootable USB pen drive. On the next screen Acronis starting x64 UEFI loader, v.1.1.69. To deploy ready Acronis image, select one option Acronis Snap Deploy 5 standalone utility. Wait for few seconds while loading the next screen. Acronis Snap Deploy 5 standalone utility, click OK to continue. Follow the Acronis Deploy Image wizard, click Next button. Select the external hard drive and select the appropriate ready Acronis.tib file. Select the volume that you want to deploy. Click Mark the checkbox which you plan to deploy. Push the button next to continue. Select the disk where you want to deploy to. Click Next button to continue. Specify the deployment settings that will be common for all deployed machines. Untick the checkbox if hard disk size below 2 TB. Then click Next button, select from the two available options. Push Next button to continue and Next. Finally click Deploy button to execute deploy process. Once completed, system will automatically shut down. Thank you for watching Byte Vision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.